Today, I'm going to tell you how to cut spring onions for noodles. For demonstrating this, I have taken one bunch of spring onions, nicely washed and cleaned them. I'm going to start with chopping off the front portion or the tip of the spring onions and also the root portion. I put this together and I'm going to chop it off. Now to reduce the size, let's start with chopping it right in between, and let's start with the green leafy portion. While chopping, ensure that you are holding your knife at a 45-degree angle and you are chopping it at an angle. Here you can see it gives the much needed design that will make the noodles look very presentable. We will now go on to the tender onion side. We will start off with slitting this right from the center. And now by holding the knife at 45-degree angle, we keep slitting the onions in small portions the way I'm showing it in the video. Remember to ensure that these cuttings should be thin and slender so that they can cook well while we actually fry it before using it into noodles. Now our spring onions are cut and ready to be used as a part of noodles.